Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be checking out Rabby Wallet. So we're going to go step by step how to set this up and pretty much move our wallets over from MetaMask. Now if most people probably, if you're not familiar with crypto or nervous of it, you're going to be always wary of making changes. So I'm hoping this guide kind of helps people move over from a wallet, and obviously at the moment I'm using a Ledger wallet connected to MetaMask, so the process is much quicker and easier. So the reason I'm doing this is because of Fantom Foundation's latest announcement. So from July the 22nd, we'll sponsor up to 10 DEX transactions per user Rabby Wallet. So again, just remember it's 10 transactions for free. So pay attention. It's obviously from the 22nd it's active. So don't be expecting the discounts on it right now. Like I said, making sure you use all official links is the key here. Do not go to Google and search for the Rabby Wallet and expecting to get the first good link. I'm not even going down that road of checking it, but go through the channels as much as you can. So again, I came to the Fantom Foundation. They tagged the Rabby Wallet. We're on the Twitter account here. I already have it installed, but I'm going to just show you quickly the process of it. So we're clicking the link down here. So open it up in this tab and picking what you want to download it for. So for mobile, your desktop, or the download for Chrome extension is pretty much your options. The desktop is the wallet basically opens as an app, and for most of crypto I use it through the download on Chrome extension. So once we download that, it's pretty much 90% of the hard work is set up. Now that the wallet is downloaded, we should have it up here. If it's not in your pinned here, you just have to open it up here and click the pinned wallet. So options here, we can create a new seed phrase. Again, I wouldn't do this. I prefer to connect it as through hardware wallets. So again, I'm going to emphasize we're connecting it through hardware wallets. So it's simple enough. Pick whichever wallet you're using. In this case, obviously I have a Ledger. We make sure we're plugged in and connected, and pretty much once you're in the Ethereum app of your Ledger wallet, it should start to populate this. So these are all the addresses I have associated with at the moment with my Ledger wallet. Again, obviously for each account, each person may have different amounts and stuff like that, so bear in mind with that. But as you can see here, these are the addresses I have. Now, because this is the Fantom community wallet, the one that I'm doing most of the videos on, I want to make sure we connect to this one. So F755. So you can see the wallets here. So we just add it to our Rabby extension. We click done and everything. So you can see here at the moment, this is the wallet. So F755. This is the portfolio that I have for it, F755. And that's pretty much it. It's all set up. The wallet looks very, smooth, tidy. I've used it a few times for a few transactions and stuff like that. So I think that's, is perfect. I said that's pretty much it. It's set up. It's good to go. You interact with it like you would with MetaMask. So you're connecting. So obviously we're connecting with this wallet, and it's done and dusted. It's connected up. It shows our rewards from the Fantom Spotlight program that I'm running, and it shows all the rewards, obviously, like everything. And that's pretty much it. So again, quick enough guide hopefully on how to set it up, emphasizing making sure you have a hardware wallet again connected to it for extra security. So that's pretty much it. I'll leave it there for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.